So our cream has formed. Next is so guys, we need cafe and coffee to be able to make this tiramisu. So right now we need as well these biscuits. That is what we are going to make. It is called savoyard. So we are going to soak the biscuits here, then place it in our glass one by one.
The seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season. Not so long, just a time, just like another season. You came into my life just like reason.
Hello guys, I hope you all enjoyed how we made our tiramisu without eggs. So I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If there is anything maybe you feel like for us to explain more, please let me know below the comment section. But at the same time, I would like to give it a test. Our tiramisu without eggs. Cocoa is on top. You can see our white cream, and this is the biscuits, savoyard, and the little cafe, cafe that we covered them. Here is our tiramisu, so let's give it a test. After I have left it in the fridge for some hours, so this is wonderful. You need to give it a try. Try them out and let me know how you went, because this tiramisu is something else. Although I have made that of eggs, but I don't like it personally. So, but I'll still make it for you guys as well. So, but this one is the one I prefer. I just decided to make this one, at least for me and my family. So thank you for staying tuned. I hope you do enjoy this recipe. If there is anything you want to let us know, please don't hesitate to let us know below the comment section. At the same time, don't forget to like and share our videos, and as well subscribe to our channel. Or you can even as well share the video to your loved ones so that they will see what to use to, at least weekends like this, they will have something to prepare for their families to enjoy. So thank you for staying tuned, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.